Okay, so let's try out these permutations. So here's the example. You have 8 scrumptious chocolate bars in your backpack. You will line up 3 of them on your desk. In how many ways, from left to right, can they be lined up? So what we know is we're going to be lining up 3 of them on the desk. So 1, 2, 3. Now how many ways for the first one? So there's 8 chocolate bars. We could choose any of the 8. So there's going to be 8 ways to pick the first one on the left. Now for the second one, this is one of those decreasing ones. There's only going to be 7 options because we've lined up one of them first. And then there's going to be, of course, 6 left now because we've used up 2 chocolate bars. So it's going to be 8 times 7 times 6. And that's right, we could just plug that in. But 8 times 7 times 6 is the first 3 terms of 8 factorial. So another way of writing that would be calling it 8 pick 3. And 8 pick 3 is 336. And so the answer to that is going to be 336 ways. Now let's say we had the same question, but it was 4 chocolate bars. I mean, not very exciting. It's just going to be the same thing, right? It's going to be 8, 7, 6, 5, the first 4 terms, which is going to be 8 pick, notice it's a little 8, big P, I almost didn't pull that one off, 8 pick 5, which is going to be, I mean, not 5, 8 pick 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, it's the first 4 terms of 8 factorial. 8 pick 4, which is 1,680, which is 1,680. Okay, now let's say over here, we have 8 chocolate bars, and we're lining up 4, and the score must be the second from the left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and the score is locked in, right? So we have the score is just sitting there and taking up the second from the left spot. So we had 8 objects, one of them is gone. So what we really have now is we have 7 objects left, and we have 3 spots to put them in. Right, so we don't have 8 options here because the score bar is already gone. So that's 7. And then this one is going to be 6 and 5, or another way of writing this would be 7 pick 3, which would be 7 times 6 times 5, which would be 210. So there's 210 ways of doing that one.